Hi guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with the KongNai 4-pack funnel set. So they're made out of silicone, and what makes them so nice is, see, you pop it up. This is the smallest, then you have the blue, the orange, and then the largest one, I'll just sit these one inside the other. The largest one is the red. Boom. I like them because they're silicone, so I use it to, whether it's like my soap, want to put that in there so it just drips through. If you want to use it, I have it also for just to measure out any type of a liquid. And being the silicone, it dries easily and it doesn't stain. I've had these for about 4 years now. I like the varying sizes, because if it's a bigger, if you want to get more, so the tips are pretty much, well, they do get a little bigger in size. So let me show you. So the tips do get a little bigger in sizes. So I use these two for like a soap dispenser. And then with these, I use them if it's something that needs a wider. So if something that's not as slippery and you need a wider space for it to go through, this works well. But I like that they dry quickly. They collapse, they fit one on top of the other, and it has a little hanging piece, so if you want it to hang them up out of the way, I just keep mine stacked in the drawer. So I'm just putting, see how easily I push them back, and I'm holding all of them, so if you're just holding one, it's even faster. So these are great. I definitely recommend them, and they're wonderful to have, a wonderful accessory for when you're trying to measure stuff. You don't want it to spill all over the place.